Hello, Shonda Dowles. It's me, Hair by Shonda, and welcome to Hair by Shonda TV. Today, I will be demonstrating how to trim split ends without cutting a lot of length off your customer's hair, or your own, whichever. But dead ends are not cool for your hair. They make your hair shorter. They make your hair stiff. You can't style it. See, look at that. Look at those dead ends. They're just popping up everywhere. So I'm going to show you how to cut those off right now. So let's jump into it. So look, what I'm showing you now are all the split ends in her hair and how to identify them. Those little white bulbs at the end of the strands that look dry and crunchy. See that? I hope you can see it because there's a lot of them in her hair. So I felt like she would be a perfect candidate for this video. But see right here, there's a split end. There's about 6 there, about 20, 30 there. This girl got a lot of split ends, y'all. So we're gonna cut all of those off and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, here we go. So what you wanna do is grab a section of hair. I'm really just demonstrating how to do this right now. So you can start your partings at the bottom. I always start at the bottom, but you grab a section of hair and you take your 2 fingers and you twist them like that. But first you want to put the hair in between your 2 fingers and twist it and bend the section downward. Okay, so when you bend it really and hold your fingers really tight so the hair won't slip out. Bend it downward and you'll see the split ends pop out because split ends cannot lay flat. The hair is split. So the split ends will pop out. You get a pair of good, clean, sharp shears. Okay, and as you slide down the strand with your fingers, you will see the split ends pop out and you will cut them off as you go. So as you slide, you just cut. See? And you don't have to go as fast as I'm going. I'm trying to go a little bit slow in this video just to show you how it's done. I would advise you, if it's your first time doing this, to go pretty slow because you don't want to make the mistake of chopping off your hair or someone else's. So you would keep doing that until you get all the way to the end of your section. And there you go. So see, look, all the real bad split ends are at the bottom of her hair. So you just keep going until it falls out. And if you want to make it like a nice even blunt cut, you would do that at the end. But this is just how you go inside and cut all of the split ends on the inside. You can make your partings a little smaller than this. This right here is a section that I already cut. Now, do you see how shiny and flat that is? That section was so pretty. So that's how your hair will look after you trim all of those split ends off, and your hair will continue to grow and be healthy and remain full. So now I'm going a little bit faster. And see those split ends popping up? See them popping out everywhere? If you look at my bottom finger closer to the knuckle, you'll see all the hair that I'm cutting off. That's of the split ends that are inside her hair. And it'll be an easier comb through. It won't snag. And that's how you know that your ends need to be trimmed, or your client's ends need to be trimmed, because when you comb it, it snags and it pulls and you have hair in the comb. But when you keep the ends trimmed, it just grows and it doesn't snag and you're not breaking your hair off. So now I'm just checking my work, making sure that all of the ends are cut out. Well, most of them anyway. So when I'm combing through, I'm not feeling any resistance. The comb just slides through her hair. Now, I think I came across a part, yeah, right here, where I felt a little bit of resistance. So I'm just gonna go back in this section and do it again until her hair feels silky smooth. So now what I'm gonna do is just basically comb through her hair and check the inside of her hair and make sure that I got all of the split ends out of the inside of her hair, because some split ends can be 2 inches long. Some strands with split ends can be 10 inches long. So I'm just going through the inside and checking to make sure that I got everything out and that everything is nice and smooth and there's no breakage and there's no rough patches. Okay, now look. The hair on the left, trimmed. The hair on the right, raggedy. So now you see the difference and why it's important to trim your split ends. You have to cut those split ends so your hair can look healthy and rich and just sexy. Well, as I always say, thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. And God bless and more hair.
Coming to Charlotte. Woo! I started like right here.
You was bald head.
Inches. I was bald head. Oh, I was bald head. She called me bald head. I ain't bald head no more.
Praise him.
Like inside. Right.
Right.
Oh my gosh. This is new beginnings.
Yes, beautiful.
Oh my God.
And you got your ends trimmed and I didn't cut a whole 3 inches
I
off.
didn't cut nothing off. Nothing.
Ready.
Natural. No relaxing. All about shining.